guess we'll all be kind of looking to the skies today for
yeah, you
warmer
know,
temperatures.
I was doing a little research yesterday. My wife was asking about, how long some of these astronauts spend in space, and looking back at Mark Kelly, and he had spent basically about a year up there.
I remember.
And
yeah.
he actually, I was reading, and he actually had some pretty big physical problems after he even got back to Earth. I mean, I'm telling you, it is tough to get.
A year's a long time, I would imagine.
It's tough to get folks to space, and it's also tough to get them
back,
home as well. But yeah, I'll tell you what, we'll take being right here in our region though today, because it's going to be a pretty nice one here. Starting off the day, a lot of sunshine right now across the region. We'll continue to track sunshine through the rest of today, and relatively low humidity for this time of year. First day of June, and it's going to be a spectacular day to be outside. Checking in this morning on SIU's campus over Carbondale, and you can see right now lots of beautiful blue sky, and we're going to continue to keep that blue sky around through the remainder of today as well. So again, take advantage of the nice weather while we've got it. It doesn't come that often this time of year around here. Big dome of high pressure centered out across the middle of the country, though, is going to take center stage here as we head into the second half of the week. And with that, that is going to crank up the heat and really crank up the humidity by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So again, really nice weather today. Temperature running a couple degrees cooler than average, in fact, for this time of year. A high temperature today about 80 degrees. Relatively low humidity. We'll start to see the humidity creep back in for tomorrow. Dew points take about a 10-degree jump from today to tomorrow afternoon. So you're really going to notice the difference in then humidity. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, lots of heat, lots of humidity, and even a chance for a couple showers and storms there in the forecast. Now, waking up this morning, temperatures are into the 50s here across southern Illinois, western Kentucky as well. 54 in Mount Vernon, 57 in Carmi. Checking in from some of our southern Illinois stations right now, 55 in Carbondale, 57 in Pinckneyville, 57 as well in Golconda, and currently 63 in Cairo. Further to the south into western Kentucky, low to mid 50s as well from Benton, Kentucky, back over near Clinton, and Wickliffe currently at 58 degrees. Meanwhile, in parts of southeast Missouri, upper 50s to the north, and then down I-55 to 61 in Cape Girardeau, 60 currently at this hour in New Madrid. We're all quiet though across the area, and no rain to talk about locally, and of course very little in the way of actual cloud cover as well. Find those clouds, you have to go to the north out across parts of west central Illinois and northern Missouri. There's actually a few rain showers up into some of those areas from Peoria back over near, say, Jacksonville, Illinois as well, and then back over near Kirksville, Missouri. Otherwise, big area of high pressure right now centered to our east. So winds today out of the south and east. Now, as that high gets further and further away, winds will turn more towards the south and west tomorrow, and that is going to open up the Gulf of Mexico, the storm track, and the main jet stream as well to our north, actually in north of the Canadian border. So that is where the main areas of storms are going to stay for the next few days. Again, expecting quiet weather once again today. Notice those rain chances to our north just kind of fall apart before they ever make it into our region. A few more clouds around this evening, but then looking ahead to Tuesday, more sunshine, warmer and more humid air begins to creep back into the region. 80 degrees today for a high temperature, mostly sunny skies, lighter winds out of the south and southeast. And in this evening, a few more clouds around closer to sunset. Otherwise, all is pretty quiet. By 9 p.m., we're back to about 70 degrees, and by midnight, we're back in the mid 60s. So tomorrow morning is not going to be quite as cool as what it is this morning. That's because the humidity is going to be on the increase today. Dew points into the upper 50s, but tomorrow those dew points jump into the upper 60s, and then by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, that dew point jumping into the low 70s. And for this time of year, that is that summer-like humidity we expect in our area is really known for. So air temperature compared to heat index will be making its return later this week. By the end of the week, heat index values low to mid 90s, so really feeling like summer by the end of the week. But today, 88 degrees for a high temperature, and then looking ahead to Wednesday evening brings our next chance for a few showers and storms. Thursday, scattered showers, scattered storms. We need to keep an eye on the end of the week. Thursday, Friday, chance we could see some pretty large storm complexes make their way in from the north. That chance actually even lingers around into the first part of the weekend. By Sunday, some drier weather returning, but notice those morning temperatures, upper 60s, afternoon highs, upper 80s and lower 90s. So again, it is going to be very warm and very humid here by the end of this week. But then looking ahead, of course, right now to our viewer photo of the day. Evie, it's our favorite time of the morning.
Oh, that's pretty.
And Henry catching a real nice shot here of a big.
That is beautiful, Henry.
It is. I love the color contrast
so
there.
nice.
The lightning and the cloud. This is looking to the north, I believe, out of Marion.
So pretty.
And even the lights in the house now. Now, the next picture, you look at this and you're like, all right, just a tree.
Okay.
Just a tree, except Dawn said she came home and she was looking at her tree, and then look what was in it.
Oh, how cute.
Was this little fawn that had just been born.
Bambi.
Great capture there, and
That is a
appreciate all of those
wonderful
viewer
shot.
photos. It is really a really nice shot there. Appreciate all of those, and of course you can submit those right there on the WSIL Storm Track 3 app, and we love to feature yours as our viewer photos of the day.